EVM strong rooms have emerged as the latest flashpoint in Bengal's heated political battle, with both the ruling Trinamool Congress or TMC and the opposition Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP levelling serious allegations of irregularities. While TMC has flagged CCTV disruptions at multiple storage centers, BJP leaders have alleged that a strong room was opened early and multiple times without intimation. The controversy comes even as the Election Commission of India has ordered repolling in 15 booths across the state, intensifying political tensions. What are TMC's allegations? In a letter dated May 1 to the state's chief electoral officer, TMC leader Shashi Panja raised concerns over intermittent CCTV disruptions in strong rooms storing EVMs and VVPATs. She cited reported surveillance interruptions in Kolkata, Jalpaiguri, Gaighata, Chandannagar Government College and Jangipur Polytechnic College. Panja demanded detailed reports of CCTV downtime, full footage logs, immediate restoration of real-time monitoring and continuous access for authorized representatives. Warning of escalation, she said the party would pursue democratic agitation if transparency is not ensured. TMC leader Tanmay Ghosh also alleged that election officials processed and segregated ballots at night without informing the party. He termed the move questionable and accused the commission of a distorting tendency. The party further alleged that BJP, in collusion with the EC, opened ballot boxes without stakeholder presence. How has BJP responded? BJP leader Sharadvat Mukhopadhyay claimed the strong room was opened ahead of schedule and multiple times, allegedly up to 10 times without explanation. He said party representatives found it already open upon arrival despite a fixed schedule. Meanwhile, BJP MP Anurag Thakur accused TMC of attempting to discredit institutions ahead of a likely defeat, alleging voter intimidation and tampering with EVM symbols. Leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari welcomed the repoll decision but called for wider coverage. Repolling underway amid row. Repolling began at 7 a.m. on Saturday in 15 booths, 11 in Magrahat Paschim and 4 in Diamond Harbour, and will continue till 6 p.m. The EC said the decision was based on reports from officials and material circumstances, with special observer Subrata Gupta deputed for verification. Voting for the two-phase assembly elections was held on April 23rd and 29, with counting scheduled for May 4th.